Aloha, we are Prikila and Logan both, and now in this video we talking about the links in the bank is designed by Stoner Joyce Reynolds, and it is in Journals of Accountancy in November 2006. In this video, we're talking about the five things. The the first the first I will talking about the linking methods. So there are three methods. First is formula methods, second is copy and paste methods, and third is direct methods. And there and there is two ways to find the link. First is finding link, and second is blocking and editing link. So now we have two workbooks. First is master budgets and second is February sales. So if we want to link the total units, total price, and total profits to master budgets, so we have three methods. Now I present first method, that is formula methods. So first in this cells, I I will put the enter enter equal. I will take push equals, and then in and then take the this number here, and then take and then press enter. So now in this in here is have the link, and then the second method is copy and paste method. So first in the February cells we right click here and then choose copy, and then in master budgets we right click through and then choose paste specials, and then choose the paste link. Okay, so we can see these cells have the link here.
Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and teach you about the third method, which is called the direct method. So with the direct method, it's a little bit more difficult than the first two. You have to take and type in the link that you want. So you basically have to know exactly what the link name is. So I'm going to go ahead and expand these so we can see what they're supposed to be like. So I'm going to go ahead and hit equals. Make sure you put the brackets, and in the brackets it needs the name of the workbook that you're entering in. So the workbook that we want to link is called February Sales. Okay, so now that we have February sales, we have to put .xlsx. That's the type of file it is. And then we can close our bracket. And then after the February sales, we need to know what tab in this workbook we're going to link to. This one I've named Feb Sales. So we can go ahead and put in Feb Sales, and then close our parentheses. And then after that, we have to know which cell we're linking. In this case, we want D8. So we go ahead and put exclamation mark, and then our $sign D $8. Oops. And that will go ahead and link the cell D8 into our link. So once we hit enter and we unexpand our formulas, it should go ahead and link, and looks like it worked. So in our source workbook, all of our profits, price, and units are now linked. So whenever we change any of this information, it should change in here. For example, let's see if it works. Yep, it does. Okay, so now the only problem with links is finding and being able to edit them. Finding links is actually easier than you'd think. Unless you have a lot of links in one workbook, then it can be kind of cumbersome. So the first way to do it is you can hit Control F, and most links have a exclamation mark in them. So if you click Find Next, it'll go ahead and highlight any of the cells that have a link in it, or hopefully has a link in it. If there's cells that have exclamation marks that aren't links, then that's no good. That's the only problem with that way of doing it. Other than that, you can hit Control tilde. That's the button under your Escape key on your keyboard, and that expands all of the formulas. So you can go ahead and manually see any links from your source documents. And once you see them, you can either delete or you can go in and edit them. Say if you want to change a cell, or if you wanted to change which workbook you're using or which tab you're using. And so that's Links in a Blink. Hope you enjoyed it, and aloha.